Okay. I have a son. Woo! Excuse me, guys. All right. I have Michael Jackson logo. Excuse me. I'm happy to be live. I'm happy to be who I am. And a cross.
I'm sorry. I don't know why I'm so sneezy. Yeah. And I have a fork, but it's missing. This one, like. Yeah. Sneeze again, darn it! That was embarrassing. I'm sorry. Okay. I will never sneeze again. Sorry. I just ripped my shorts.
Month and a bunch of blood comes out. Oh, excuse me. And there's cramping and you're...
I'm gonna go sneeze. Sorry, ow. Why did you put ow?
So yeah, block him. I did. Bless your soul. Oh my gosh. Bless you. Thanks. I have a cold, so I'm sorry. Wow. Oh my gosh. I have 23 viewers. That's nice. That's good. I'm gonna sneeze. Oops. 32. No, but it's like, now it's 18. I'm literally near like the water now, so I do live pretty, like you can't really see, but behind there, sorry, behind like the mountains right here, there are just like water, and then like you can.
I swear you already did. What the heck? Is your dad a baker? Because I'm just wondering what his job is. I had to sneeze. I'm good. Did you just fart because you blow me away? Yes, Cassie. Yes. Keep. I gotta sneeze. I'm good. It's making me sneezy. I farted too late. Jacob, thank you for the 50 likes.
I gotta like sneeze. Say Raina. I became a fan. Thank you.
Was it bad though? Lol, my bad. I'm Australian. I fucked. I forgot my pickup lines. No, it's not that. It's not that you messed up. It's just that I don't really like.
I have to sneeze.
Excuse me. So guys have crushes on 9th grade left their sophomore year are hitting me up and they have.
Everybody's on right now. Get your mom so we can see her. Is her face on? You have to ask her. Okay. Thank you, Katie. You're welcome. Are we looking for a new squad? Yes, Chip. No, it's my.
And I want you, call me up when it walk us. And I want you, call me up when it walk us. Yeah, I want you, call me up when you walk us. Yeah, I know they after me. I got the chocolate factory coming up.
I'm not paying attention to my dog and he's sleeping and he's quiet. Oh, I hate being sick.
Yeah, I'm pretty gross. And like, but my nose is tickling because of this fucking cat hair. Anyways, I just sneezed again. Oh my god. Ah, shit. Holy Mother of Mary.
Hi, I'm good. How are you guys? I've got a good plan. Guys, I have a really good plan. I want to go crazy on Hannah for her birthday. So guys, I need like a flight service. Let's be honest here. No one's gonna date me. So, you know, of course I'm... Hi, I'm... Stop that. Everybody talks. New Zealand. I'm on the guest list. That's cool. Thank you. You're not even on the guest list. Hey, Dweebix. How you doing? Stella.
He is my top fan and always has the best things to say. Chewy. Excuse me, that was embarrassing. Whew.
Oof. I feel I need country folks with y'all.
Like, always sneezer. What do you want? Probably 10 p.m. Eastern or a little bit after. Somewhere around then. So, yeah, because it's 5 right now. Oh, no, it's only... Yeah, which one was that bag? Yeah. Hi, Kendall. Marie's 32. I mean, if that's number of the day, that works. Number of the day.
I really need to sneeze. I need to sneeze again. I feel like I'm just getting myself ill for no reason.
Bless me. Hey, baddie. What's your name? My name is Zoe. What's your name?
I forgot. I'm so sorry. Thank you so much for 1,000 bars. You're so sweet. Thank you. I need to sneeze. Hold up.
You guys lying? Do you have my brush? People are saying you took my brush.
They give me a pen, put the money in my hand right now. We just sold out.
Bless me. Too early for me. Oh my god, I just sneezed like Pikachu. Naps feel great when it rains. I just remember picture days.
Jeez, you're subscribed to a lot of people.
We could be starving, we could be homeless, we could be broke. As long as you love me. It's on the bottom. It's on my account on the bottom. I can't see it because I'm live. Oh my god. Excuse me. Mitchie, thank you so much. Guys.
Shameless Squad is awesome. The dragons. The bratty. Ugh. How much do you love me? I love.
Thank you for capturing a moment. What's good, baby Mariah? What's up, Sam? I should sneeze. Okay. I'm great. Thanks. Why?
Happy Halloween. Let me see. Okay, that one wouldn't come. Thank you for uniquely. Thank you. Thank you for inviting your fans. Alright, so
Over and over again. So basically, I counted all the bites on all this arm, and I counted, and it was 151. I think it's impressive, like fairly. Bless me. I don't know. I think that's fairly impressive.
Oh my, Xavier. I gotta sneeze. For like 2 weeks, been.
I can hear you.
okay. Oh, sorry about that. Nicole, how are you? It's been so long. Everyone's been looking so cute today. Hold up, I'm gonna sneeze, y'all. I can't help it. God bless America.
Y'all. That's not very good. Whenever, honestly. Probably. Surprised you didn't get cuffed yet? Well, I was talking to a dude. Surprised you didn't get cuffed yet? Well, I was talking to a dude. He was playing games. Y'all see me as this like goddess, but I'm actually not like legit. I just play with my emotions here. But yeah.
Phew. Thank you, Paul, for the 400 likes. I appreciate that so much.
I'm gonna sneeze all with this. Sorry. Excuse me. Focus on me. Okay. Yes, I'm selling.